Go.
My name's Krista. I'm only 4 and I already had my birthday. And this is my stuff when I got for my birthday. Now, we have a piece of string like that.
Why you cut it?
Make sure you do that. Now, you measure it like this, then you make it into a circle.
What are you trying to make?
Flower.
Okay.
You make a flower like a little circle. Now, you get like a string, then you cut a piece with a little tip. Then you cut it on a thing. Mommy, don't pause it.
I'm not pausing it.
I can't do this in the world.
There you go. Okay.
That's how you do it. You make a carved little thing like this. Then you put it on like sticky. See, like this. Then you pick another one. And you like it? Yes. Now we're gonna cut this on a kind of single piece. Now you got another one and you like the color. There's a little square. Now, don't pause it, Mommy, don't pause it.
I'm not.
Now one thing. My name is Krista. This is how you make it.
Good job. Say bye.
Bye.